Imagine holding the future of computing in the palm of your hand. No, I'm not talking about a smartphone that's trying too hard to be a tablet, or a massive 13-inch slate that requires a backpack and a prayer to carry around. I'm talking about the legendary, the elusive, and now, the most controversial device in Apple's entire history. The iPad Mini 8. For years, the tech community has treated the iPad Mini like the neglected middle child of the Apple family. We saw the iPad Pro get the M-series chips and the mind-blowing tandem OLED. We saw the iPad Air get larger screens and sleek designs. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. And the Mini. It just sat there, waiting for its turn, often going years without a single update. But something shifted in the labs at Cupertino. While the world was distracted by the Vision Pro and the latest iPhone rumors, Apple was quietly rebuilding the Mini from the ground up. The iPad Mini 8 isn't just an incremental update. It is a fundamental shift in what a compact tablet can be. If the leaks are even half true, and we have some massive leaks to talk about today, the Mini 8 is about to become the most powerful, most efficient, and most beautiful small-screen device ever created. We are talking about a screen technology that shouldn't even fit in this form factor. We are talking about a processor that belongs in a high-end workstation. And perhaps most importantly, we are talking about Apple finally listening to the one complaint that has haunted the Mini for a decade. If you've been thinking about buying an iPad Mini 7, or if you're still clinging to your trusty Mini 6, stop everything. The data coming out of the supply chain in Asia and the whispers from inside Apple Park suggest that the Mini 8 is going to make every previous tablet look like a toy. Today, we're going to peel back the curtain. We're going to look at the Pro features that are finally trickling down, the radical redesign of the internal cooling system, and the secret weapon Apple is using to kill the competition in the gaming and professional creative space. This is the deep dive you've been waiting for. Every spec, every secret, and the real reason why Apple is betting the future of the iPad on its smallest member. This is everything we know about the Apple iPad Mini 8. The story of the iPad Mini has always been one of portability versus power. But with the Mini 8, Apple is throwing that compromise out the window. Let's start with the most significant change, the one that everyone has been begging for since 2012, the display. For the longest time, the Mini has lived in the shadow of LCD technology. Don't get me wrong, Apple's liquid retina displays are good, but in a world of OLED iPhones and OLED Pros, they started to look dated. The blacks weren't truly black, and the contrast just wasn't there. But the iPad Mini 8 is breaking that curse. We are looking at the introduction of an OLED panel. But not just any OLED. This is a custom-engineered solution designed to solve the jelly scrolling issue once and for all. Imagine watching a movie on a flight or editing high-res photos in a coffee shop with the kind of color accuracy and depth that was previously reserved for $1,000 plus devices. The Mini 8 is rumored to feature a slightly larger 8.5-inch display without increasing the physical footprint of the device. Shaving down those bezels. Apple is utilizing a new LTPS OLED technology that allows for a thinner, lighter, and more vibrant screen. This isn't just about pretty colors. It's about power efficiency. OLED only lights up the pixels it needs, meaning your battery life is about to get a massive boost, even while the screen looks better than ever. But the screen is